to create Amazon Kindle account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Amazon Kindle account. Amazon Kindle is a line of e-readers and a digital platform created by Amazon. It allows users to download, buy and read a vast collection of digital books, magazines, newspaper and other publications directly from the Kindle store. Now to create an account on Amazon Kindle, first of all you need to make sure you have downloaded the authentic Amazon Kindle application on your mobile device. Now once you have done that, tap on the application to open it. This is the home page of Amazon Kindle. Here once you reach to this page, tap on the three horizontal bars at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page. Here tap on Sign in with Amazon option. Once you tap on this option, now you will be presented with this sign-in interface. Here as we are going to create a new account, so you need to click on Create a new Amazon account at the bottom. Tap on it and after doing so, at the top, you will be asked to provide the necessary details. Enter the first and last name in the first box, then enter your email address in the second box. After that, create a unique and strong password for your account. Make sure your password contains at least 6 characters. After creating the password, tap on Create your Amazon account at the bottom. Once you tap on it, you will need to solve this puzzle. Tap on Start Puzzle and solve this puzzle. After you have completed the puzzle, now a verification code will be sent to your email address. Check your email and enter the verification code in this box. After that, tap on Verify. Once doing that, now here you will be asked to add your phone number. Tap on this country code box and from here choose your country code. And in the next box, enter your phone number. Once you have entered your phone number, tap on this Add Mobile Number button at the bottom. After that, you will be able to create an account on Amazon Kindle. Once you have created an account on it, now you can start buying and downloading ebooks from the Kindle store. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.